Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do bulk a PPF hood by yourself. First thing first, you have a big piece of glass, definitely the easiest way to do it, and just wet the glass with your slip solution. Put your PPF on with your backing facing out, so that way you can pull the, hope the audio didn't just get messed up. I felt my mic do something weird. Okay, pull the backing, start slipping it, keeping it nice and wet. There, nice and wet. Now we're going to get the hood. We're going to spray more slip solution on there. And more on here. Now, carefully transfer your PPF onto your hood. Make sure you got lots of room, lots of PPF on either side. Now we are going to tack down this down. And do the same thing. Pull tight. Gonna make sure we want some slip in there. Slip on. Now I'm gonna pull and get it tacked down onto the bumper. Okay, same thing here. Get that nicely. As you can tell, we have no fingers. Now, because of how we set ourselves up, the rest of this job is really quick, easy. We're gonna do add a little bit more slip solution. Here it got tacked down to the actual hood where it shouldn't have yet. So we're gonna redo that. But since we're gonna redo that, we're gonna add some more slip in there just to make sure we're not touching. Okay, so now that I got this all laid down, now I'm gonna go ahead and trim and leave. Here I don't need to leave much, but trim my edges. Leave about 3/8 of an inch all the way around. 3/8 to half an inch, and then let that dry out overnight with the hood up, let the edges dry out, and after that, tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, wrap my edges with heat, torch the edges so that they stay down, and then we're good to go. Fresh blade, snap. All right, you guys already know what we're using to wrap edges. We're using our good old, not even old actually, new orange Ghost glove.